Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. और so yesterday that chapter was complete, na? My childhood. Hello. बचा हुआ तो कुछ नहीं था लास्ट में. अब्दुल कलाम sound come. Abdul Kalam's father quotes Khalil Gibran that even the seagull, mother is very unwilling. When Abdul Kalam wants to go to Ramanathapuram for higher studies, mother is very hesitant, very unwilling. Mother is more emotional. So father tells her that even the birds teach their children to be self-dependent, isn't it? Once the seagull learns to fly, the parents leave the seagull all alone to fly, because the children have to be self-dependent. All the time the parents cannot fulfill everything for the children. After a certain age, the children have to become self-dependent. So Abdul Kalam's father, he readily agreed to send Abdul Kalam to the foreign country, whereas his mother was bit hesitant. और माँ जो है वो hesitant थी, इसलिए अब्दुल कलाम के फादर ने उनको समझाया that for the betterment of our children, we have to leave them alone, isn't it? Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let me check whether you have been attentive in the class. What is the meaning of ancestral? Batao.
Pustani.
Ma'am, Purvaj.
You study in an English medium school. I think you have to answer in English, isn't it? Huh?
Ma'am, we were telling you Hindi meanings.
Yes, Hindi meaning. It's all right. Your Hindi meaning is correct.
Ma'am, Patrick.
Huh? But you have to learn the English meaning. Knowing Hindi meaning.
Ma'am, related to our ancestors.
Forefather.
Related to our forefathers. Innate.
Hereditary.
Ma'am,
Means
forefathers, ma'am.
huh? Innate. Innate means what? Answer?
Inborn.
Ma'am, natural.
Okay, Sugandh, yes, good.
Inborn.
Natural, inborn, innate. Orthodox, what does it mean?
One who follows old traditions strictly.
One who have traditional.
I'm following old traditions strictly.
Traditional, following old beliefs. हाँ, ऑर्थोडॉक्स, जो अपने आप को समय के अनुसार नहीं बढ़. रूढ़िवादी, हिंदी मीनिंग इज रूढ़िवादी. आई टेल यू द हिंदी मीनिंग जस्ट टू मेक it very clear to you. It is just an additional information, but when you are learning the meanings, you make it a point that you learn the English meanings and you know the English meanings. For the sake of clarity, I always tell sometimes the Hindi meaning also, but you have to learn the English meanings. Halt means what? Halt. The train did not halt at the Rameshwaram station.
Stop. To stop.
Yes,
To stop.
Not
stop. Halt means
stop.
stop. Wages. Wages. What is the meaning of wages? Abdul Kalam earned his first wages. You have to improve
Salary.
vocabulary. Yes, very good. Wages means salary. Am I
Daily
audible to
salary.
all of you?
Ma'am, daily.
मेरी आवाज साफ साफ जा रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wages means salary. Abdul Kalam got his first wages by selling newspapers, helping his cousin Samsuddin in selling newspapers. Who is a pilgrim? Pilgrim means what?
One who visits
Religious
Visit holy place.
One who visits holy places. One who visits holy places. Hindi meaning is Tirth Yatri. Just to make it clear, I am telling you Tirth Yatri, but when you learn the meanings, you have to learn it as one who visits holy places. Pilgrim. Then idols.
statues.
Statues. You know there's difference between idol and ideal.
Yes, ma'am. Idols means statue, and ideal means
Possessing all the good qualities. Adarsh. Possessing all good qualities. Ideal. Adarsh. He's an ideal student. So idol and ideal. Again, when there are certain words.
ma'am, we can say role models.
ये भी कह सकते हो role model. He is my ideal. Okay. Then, what is the meaning of downcast?
Sad.
Sad.
unhappy.
Downcast means sad or unhappy. Syllabus is almost complete. That is why I'm just re-revising the same lessons. And also the syllabus has been curtailed, lessened by the CBSE, so we have plenty of time, ample time. Regret. What is the meaning of regret?
Ma'am, repent.
To
Yes,
feel
regret.
sorry for something.
Yes.
Feel sorry.
Sorry for
something.
To feel guilty or sorry for something. Guilty or sorry. Regret. Okay. Then what is the meaning of conviction? Conviction. What is
Accepting.
conviction means? Faith or belief?
Accepting.
नहीं, accepting नहीं.
A strong opinion or belief.
Okay. Strong opinion you can say. Faith you can say. Belief you can say. You know, one word has multiple meanings. All these are synonyms. So what meaning is given in the book, apart from that also you can have meanings, because every word has many synonyms, isn't it? So, okay, what is the meaning of rigid?
Hard.
Rigid, strict.
Unable to bend.
Yes, unable.
Very hard to change.
Yes, ma'am. Very hard to change.
Not able to change.
Rigid, जो अपने ओपिनियन को चेंज नहीं करते हैं. Rigid. What is the meaning of segregation? What is the meaning of
Separation.
Separation.
Separate.
separation? Segregation means separation. Segregation. It means separation. Then what is the rebel?
Oppose.
To oppose.
Yes,
To oppose.
rebel. To oppose.
Oppose.
लेकिन rebel as a verb it means to oppose, लेकिन अगर उसको noun form में देखें तो क्या हो जाएगा? Revolution.
Ma'am, one who opposes.
One,
One who wants
a revolutionary. You know,
Ma'am, revolution.
yes, rebel can be used both as a verb and a noun, isn't it? He rebelled against the laws of the government. You can have a sentence like this. He rebelled against the laws of the government. Here it is a verb, isn't it? He rebelled against the laws of the government. Here it is a verb. But if you say that Bhagat Singh was a rebel, then it is a noun. So rebel can be used both as a verb and as a noun. As a verb, it means to oppose something, and as a noun, it means the person who
Revolutionary.
opposes. जो oppose करता है उसको rebel कहते हैं. Mingle. What is the meaning of mingle?
Ma'am, to mix.
Yes, very good.
Mix.
Mingle means
Mix.
to mix. Mingle means to mix. All these meanings should be written in your copy. If you are not writing it
Yes,
side,
ma'am.
if you are not writing it side by side, it's all right. When I send the video,
Excuse me,
you
ma'am.
can see and then you can note it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I want the word meanings of all the chapters in your copy, and don't think that because the school is not open, you don't need to make copy. You have to make copy because CBSE, you are in class 9 and CBSE marking scheme, there are certain marks for
Excuse
copy.
me, ma'am.
So copies.
Ma'am, in which month?
Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In which month our exam will be taken?
We are just planning. It has not yet been finalized. It hasn't yet been finalized. We will see the situation, and then only it will be decided whether to take online examination. Most probably you will have online examination only, because the thing is, the pandemic is not under control. Cases are rising and continuously rising, so there is very less possibility that you will have exam in the school. So you may have online examination, and probably in the month of September. Okay, so or CBSE may give the circular to promote students on the basis of the internal assessments. So that is why I am telling you time and again not to miss your Sunday test. Please don't miss your Sunday test, because maybe all the schools are regularly taking tests, because maybe CBSE will tell the management to promote the students on the basis of the tests, those tests only, the internal assessments. So that is why don't miss your test.
Yes, ma'am. We are taking our tests regularly.
Mobile phones, and also you can talk to your class teacher. She will solve your problem, because we give time to students. Like if there is only one smartphone at home, we tell the students to send the answers late till the evening time, we accept it. Or maybe some alternative arrangement is made. If you share your problem, if you quietly sit without anything, then It's very difficult because last week also there were some students in class 9B who were not aware that test is being held. They were sleeping. So yes, sir, don't be very casual. You are in class 9. And this is the basis of your promotion to class 10. Okay. So mingle, mix. And be very regular with your copy. All the grammar notes that I've sent, you note it down. Model, subject, verb agreement. Again and again, I'm telling you that there is no prescribed grammar book. देखियो books के list में कोई भी grammar book नहीं है. But you have grammar topics. So how will you study? You have to study from your notebook. That is why I have been sending notes of all the topics that I taught, so that you can revise it during the examination from those notes. Tense is there, then models, subject verb agreement, then lastly we did one more. Active passive has been deleted from the syllabus. And yes, narration, we did direct and indirect speech. I will give you some notes on prepositions also. Hello. I'll give you some notes on prepositions also, some basic prepositions.
Okay, ma'am.
So that also you can note it down in your copy. Okay. So what is the meaning of perturbed? So word meanings also, you note down the word meanings of all the chapters. You have time at home, at least 2 hours time has been saved. You don't have the commuting time that you used to be wasted in coming and going to school. At least that extra time you have, so you can make use of that time and maintain copies of all subjects, because maybe you someday your parents will be told to go and deposit the copies, और ऐसा हो सकता है. तो to be on the safe side, you maintain your copy. What is the meaning of perturbed?
Upset.
Disturbed.
Yes, disturbed. Though
Upset.
upset, yes. Perturbed.
Anxious.
Worried.
Worried, yes. Worried also you can have, because as I told you, one word has many synonyms. If you look into the dictionaries also, you can find many words, many meanings of one word. So those are called synonyms, and opposite meanings are called antonyms. पर्यायवाची और विलोम, हिंदी में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ना, पर्यायवाची शब्द, विलोम शब्द, तो उसी को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं synonym for पर्यायवाची and antonyms for vilom. Then what is the meaning of imminent? I told you yesterday. Imminent.
Sure to happen.
Sure to happen.
Sure about to happen.
Likely to happen. होने वाला. Unprecedented.
Never happened before.
Never done before.
Never done before.
Never happened. जो आज से पहले कभी नहीं हुआ था. Never happened before. Unprecedented. Optimism.
Hopeful.
Yes.
Hopeful.
Optimism means hopeful. Hindi meaning है आशावादी. Hopeful. Look at the brighter side of things. Optimism means you always think positive. Look at the brighter side of things. That is optimism. So, question answers. Have you seen question answers of the chapter? Do we need to
Yes.
discuss? Or if you have understood the chapter, now you are in class 9, you can do it If there is anything that is to be discussed, I will go through the questions. It's not there right now with me. I'll go through the questions and then I will ये है fill in the blanks with prepositions. थोड़ा कुछ हम लोग एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कर ले, अभी है 12 मिनट टाइम तो है. Okay, options are given.
Killed by the hunter.
Yes. Killed by the
By.
hunter.
With a sword.
With a sword.
With a sword.
With a sword. When I send the video, if you are not able to write it right now, because I know it's difficult answering and writing simultaneously. When I send the video, you can note it down in your copies. Okay? Father divided his property
Among.
between for two, but there are 4 sons, so among. He has been living in this house
Scenes.
since I told before a particular year you use since. So you know how to use since and for? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I make it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार बता देते हैं. देखो, since is used for a point of time. Since used for point of time. Point of time means any particular year, like 1990. So you will write since 1990. If you have any particular month, तो अगर May है तो क्या लिखेंगे? Since May. Okay? If you have any particular year, then since. If you have any particular month name, then since. Then even before the names of the weekdays, अगर Monday है तो again since Monday. Then since morning. So since is used for a point of time, and for is used for period of time. For is used for period. Like यहाँ पर particular year दिया हुआ है, particular year, particular. All these are particular year, month name, weekdays name, morning. If you have period, like अगर है period की 10 years, तो इसमें हम लोग यूज करेंगे for 10 years. अगर दिया हुआ है यहाँ particular month है तो हम since यूज किए. If it is 6 months, then again for 6 months. Again if it is 5 days, then for 5 days. Okay, you understand? अगर यहाँ morning है तो since यूज किए. अगर 4 hours दिया है तो for 4 hours. So you understand point and period? Point.
Yes, ma'am.
Difference is clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए. So you since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. So here you have one particular year. So since I shall return dash a month.
In.
In a month.
In a month.
In.
एक महीने में. The Ramayana is lying.
On the table.
On.
On the table.
On means touching the surface. On means touching the surface. We shall finish this work.
By.
On 5 p.m. today.
By मतलब latest time, मतलब 5 बजे तक हम लोग ये काम 5 बजे तक खत्म कर लेंगे. Send me the letters.
On this address.
On this address.
On this address.
On this. You should listen
Two.
To.
to what your parents say. Sita writes
In.
In.
in ink.
In ink.
Do not listen to.
To.
Not listen
Advice. To my advice.
to my advice. So When I send the video, you note down the exercises in your copy. You have to take out some extra time.
Ma'am, answers are given below.
हाँ, गलती से हम देखे नहीं जब ये
Yes,
आंसर
ma'am.
ये हाँ आंसर दिया हुआ है, लेकिन ऊपर वाला तो
Oh.
कुछ बिना देखे तुम लोग सॉल्व किए, जब नीचे स्क्रॉल किए तो हम देखे.
Yes.
ये this is unsolved.
दिया.
This is unsolved. Mahesh has sent
By the principal. To the principal.
To the principal.
To the
To the principal.
Yes. I am aware dash. Avinash, you answer.
In my
Avinash, I am aware of my shortcomings. He divided his property.
between.
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 है तो क्या होगा? Between. दो लोग रहते हैं तो होता है between. दो से ज्यादा among. He is afraid
Of.
Two lions. In
Of.
lions.
of. Afraid of. Afraid of lions.
Of.
Dogs bark.
At.
At strangers.
Dogs bark at strangers. Yes. The river flows
True.
True.
Through the bridge.
through. THOROUGH, through the bridge. I have a pen to write.
With.
With.
The preposition is coming at the end. There are some sentences in which the preposition comes at the end also. What is the time?
By your watch.
By your watch. बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक है, हम बोलते हैं कभी कभी हम कैजुअली बोल देते हैं व्हाट इज द टाइम इन योर वॉच, बट
By.
what is the time by your watch? Food was rationed.
During the war. During the war.
war.
Yes, during the war. Mahesh is knocking.
At.
At the door.
So prepositions you learn by revising only. As much as you revise, you'll, of course there are some use. ये एक fill in the blanks कर लेते हैं तो हमारा time हो जाएगा. See here you are having options. In CBSE you get these kind of exercises only. You will get options, fill in the blanks from any topic. This is not related to any particular topic. Tense है, preposition है, connector रहता है, सब कुछ mix up रहता है. So you have to practice these kind of exercises because you are not going to get separate exercises from preposition or conjunction like that. You'll get only these type of exercises mixed, mingled. So what will you write in the first? So the wizard.
On.
On.
Go on.
On.
Go on.
I think go on.
Go at to the end. Go on to the end of the lane. Go on to the end of the lane and turn.
Around.
Yes.
Around.
Okay, turn around 3 times. Turn around 3 times and look down the magic well, and there you
will find.
find 3 pennies. Hurry. ये तो
On.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. ये तो एकदम हम लोग hurry up. Common. Hurry up. So Roger Skunk went up to the end of the lane and
Turned.
Third one.
turned. Okay. These days I'm not sending you homework because I want you to just write all these things in your copy. This is your homework. Okay. So you can note all these things in your copy. When the chapters are taught, all the word meanings that is told on a particular day, that you can note it down. So, and if you are regular in the class, then you don't need to devote much of extra time. बस जो क्लास में हुआ, अगर कुछ written इस तरह का होता तो उसको you note it down in your copy. So bye all of you. Our time ends here. Bye.
Okay,
You,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Maintain
you,
a
ma'am.
copy and note all this down in your copy. Note this down. Don't be casual. Don't take things casually. You are in class 9. You have to be sincere. Okay, bye. Bye, all of you.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes.
Have a nice.
Okay,
Good day,
bye.
ma'am.
Good day to all of you. Good day to all of you.
Ma'am. This class is over.
Bye, all of you.
कौन चिल्लाया?
मैं खुद